Uh-huh, honey.
All the mother is lame and you know it, lame and you know it now. When the real nigga
A few moments later.
Okay, so we just came out of the shower and washed our hair. I have not recorded the whole, cleaning like my room because I didn't have enough storage. So I'm sorry. Things happen. But yeah, it is literally almost like what, 3 in the morning, and okay, it's literally like around 3 in the morning, and honestly I should be asleep right now. Don't know why I'm still up. I should take this time to go to sleep before I go, but since at this point there's no point of me going to bed, so I might as well just be out here and just talk with y'all, like, let's get to know each other. Let's converse. I just finished getting mostly everything done in the room and stuff like that. I just need to completely put some of the stuff that I just used, like for my hair, like washing my hair, washing my body, stuff like that, back in my suitcase. And then I am ready to go. I'm gonna be going back home. I will no longer be a college student. I'll be on my way, on my merry way. The funny thing is me going back home, it'll be literally what, like within 5 days coming back, Christmas. So, and in that period, that's when I find out what my final grades. So basically my school was like, oh, Merry Christmas, here's your grades, here's your final grades. things I really don't understand about college sometimes.